everyone. Have you ever wondered what gears you have in your Mopar and if you have a sure grip or not? Well, today I'm going to show you how to figure that out. This is my 1968 Dodge Charger. I have a pretty good idea what gears I have, but I'm not 100% sure, and I kind of would like to know. I also know that it probably has a sure grip, but I want to be sure. First of all, the sure grip. The easiest way to find out if you have a sure grip is just find a parking lot and apply your foot to the pedal. And if you leave 2 long black marks, you have a sure grip. If you just leave 1, you have an open differential or a peg leg. But if you don't want to do that, you can do this. Jack up your car so the tires are off the ground. And I always chuck my tires just to be sure nothing moves around, and put your car in neutral, and then simply spin your tires forward. If both tires spin forward together, you have a sure grip. If they do not, you don't. So if we're watching that tire over there and we're spinning this tire here, and I'm trying to get them in the shot together. If they both spin forward like this is a sure grip car. If they do not, you have an open diff car. Now I'll show you how to figure out the gears. To figure out what gear you have, all you have to do is spin the tire 1 revolution and count the number of times the drive shaft turns. To do this, you have to first line up your tire with a known mark. So I have the R in radial line up in the 12 o'clock position. You can mark the tire if you want to, or pick some other known entity where you can make sure you are rotating it 1 time around. Then what I do is I come in and I put a piece of tape on the drive shaft, because I'm going to count that now, how many times it turns. If it turns 3 1/4 turns, I know I have a 3.23 gear. If it turns 3 1/2 times, that's a 355 gear. If it turns just over 4 times, that means I have a 410 gear. So this is going to be the key. Count how many times this drive shaft turns with 1 revolution of the tire. Here we go. So I'm spinning the tire forward. We have 1 revolution, 2 revolutions, 3 revolutions. You can look at where I'm at on the tire. You can see I'm not quite there with the R being straight up and down. So I'm going to turn it a little bit more. So it's over a 3 gear. But now I'm going to spin it 1 more time to find out what exactly I have. Is it going to be a 323 or a 355 or 373? And now the R is straight up and down, almost exactly where we were. I cannot see that tape, so I'm going to go to the other side and find out exactly where that tape is. If it's a 1/4 or a 1/2. So we're going to walk over here. We're going to get below the car. And remember, that tape was kind of pointing down. And now the tape is pointing directly the opposite side. So that's 3 1/2. So I have a 355 gear. And it is a sure grip. Hope this helps you guys.